I'm Cristianco and I'm the co-founder of Kikiliciouss. I started back in 2010 when I was 15 years old with Kiki's Cooking Time. After being tired of searching different recipes online, but I never had the same result because there was either an ingredient or a method missing, I started sharing recipes literally, as you can see here, step by step, by photography and instructions, so that people at home could have the same result as me back cooking. After 4 years of successful blogging, me and my sister decided to open Kikiliciouss. If you're wondering what does Kikiliciouss mean, it's my nickname, Kiki and Delicious. On this platform, we kept the same philosophy, but we combined food and design together. People started loving and sharing different articles, review about us, and this is when businesses had an eye on Kikiliciouss. Back then, we did everything out of love, and now we are a service. We are a business to business selling different services, marketing services, food photography and styling, or paid promotions through Instagram, YouTube, and website. We do have competitors, food bloggers that are following Kikiliciouss steps, and small agencies working in the food industry. We are different because we are easy to understand, we are visually curated, we have customized goods, and also we have personalized services. We have the skills of an agency, but the opportunity and the popularity of being an influencer. Here's my team: Aranda, the food stylist and photographer, Julia, the content editor, and also Dikea, the strategist. Last year we grew more than 50%, and we are aiming to grow each year 50%. On the long term, Kikiliciouss want to go into the global market. We want to launch our Kikiliciouss book, and by 2022, we are aiming to launch Kikiliciouss Kitchen Accessories line, in which we are working really hard. We are trying to get new clients and potentially a grant so that we can grow our business even further. Thank you very much.